For this example, we're going to graph f of x equals negative x minus 1 squared plus 4. First, I'm just going to draw my graph. Okay, now I'm going to draw my standard parabola, which is just f of x equals x squared, and that just is where the vertex is at the origin and it's facing upwards. I'm just going to draw that in a dotted line so that I remember what the standard parabola looks like. Now I'm going to look at this. This is already in the form of x minus h squared plus k. So you could graph it like that, just graphing the vertex. Or you could think about it using shifts. Either way is okay. What you have to remember though is that h and k is the vertex. So anytime you graph the vertex, you have to remember to change the sign in the middle here because the formula says x minus h. So our actual vertex would be 1, 4. So our vertex, if our vertex is 1, 4, 1 up 4, just like that. And our parabola, it looks like it's going to be negative. So it's going downwards. It's facing down, just like that, because this negative 1 in front. You could have also thought of this as shifts. If this is an upward shift of 4, up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this would be a right of 1, it would still make the same thing, so either way. Now we already have the vertex, but the other thing that we should look for is the axis of symmetry. Now the axis of symmetry is always x equals, and the other thing is that it is this dotted line that creates the symmetry between these two sides, and it's an equation, so if it's a line that goes straight up and down, it would always be x equals whatever number that it crosses, and it looks like it's crossing 1, so our axis of symmetry would be x equals 1. So these are the important things. The vertex is 1, 4, and the axis of symmetry is x equals 1, and this is the graph. So that's our final answer.